Good day. This is AR-WorldNews.com, bringing you today's top story on the ongoing legal battles surrounding Tesla and its autopilot system. A federal jury has reached a landmark verdict, holding Tesla partially liable for a fatal 2019 crash involving its driver assist technology. The headline: Jury orders Tesla to pay over $240 million in autopilot crash case. A Miami federal jury has ruled that Tesla must pay approximately $243 million in damages after a 2019 fatal crash involving its autopilot system. The incident took place on April 25, 2019, when a Tesla Model S, operating under autopilot, struck a stationary SUV in Key Largo, Florida. The collision tragically killed 22-year-old Liable Benavides Leon and seriously injured Dylan Angulo, who was a passenger at the time of the crash. The jury determined that Tesla bore 33% of the responsibility, while the driver, George McGee, was found 67% at fault for failing to remain alert while using the semi-autonomous system. The total damages awarded reached $329 million, but Tesla's actual payout is set at $243 million, broken down as $200 million in punitive damages and $43 million in compensatory damages corresponding to its share of liability. Tesla has announced plans to appeal the decision, arguing that a pre-trial agreement should have capped their liability at $172 million. However, plaintiffs maintain that the agreement was improperly interpreted, and the full amount should stand. Legal experts say this is one of the first major federal jury verdicts holding Tesla legally accountable for an autopilot-related fatality, raising concerns about Tesla's marketing of autopilot and its failure to restrict the technology to controlled access highways. Other Tesla-related cases highlight legal scrutiny. This is not the only courtroom decision Tesla has faced over its autopilot system. In a separate California case, a Tesla driver was criminally charged with vehicular manslaughter after a 2019 crash in Los Angeles killed 2 people. Prosecutors argued that the driver misused autopilot and failed to maintain control of the vehicle, resulting in fatalities. The driver was ordered to pay over $23,000 in restitution to the victims' families. In other countries, globally, Tesla has also faced lawsuits and regulatory probes questioning the safety and reliability of autopilot and full self-driving systems, with courts in Europe and Australia reviewing claims of phantom braking, battery range issues, and improper marketing of driver assist features. A German court ruled in early 2025 that Tesla's autopilot system is defective for normal use, particularly citing repeated issues with phantom braking. In Australia, a class action suit was filed around similar complaints over battery range, driving assistance, and braking anomalies, again putting Tesla's technology under judicial review. With this latest Miami ruling, Tesla finds itself under intensified legal and public scrutiny, as courts begin to define the boundaries of accountability for semi-autonomous vehicle technologies. Analysts say this verdict could set a precedent, potentially paving the way for future litigation against Tesla and other automakers developing similar self-driving systems. As this story continues to unfold, Tesla's planned appeal and future court battles will likely shape the legal landscape for driver assist technologies worldwide. Thank you for listening. Until our next episode, take care and be safe.